Bottom. Now the guns, we put it a little there. These ones will be here. First we put the swim goggles and things here. And then these ones here next, guys. And then close your bag. And then bring your own iPad or not anything. And that's it, guys. Bye bye. Like and subscribe in this video to get one free toy. Bye.